We're going on a walk on this nice 80-degree evening. We're just taking a nice nature walk. We got little Diego, little baby, wide-eyed little baby. Yeah. And we got JJ, my 3-year-old, who just had a meltdown because he got poked by a stick. But he will be all right. He will forget about it very soon. Mommy kissed it better already, and we're hoping for the best. Hey, JJ, are you going on a walk with Mama? You want to see some water?
I don't like the animals.
You don't like animals?
Yeah.
I don't think there's any animals going to get you. Can you say hi? Hi. He was in a really good mood until he got scratched by a stick, but he will be all right. You'll be all right?
No, I
No.
got hurt again.
Okay. There's always some kind of injury going on. But life of a boy. Mommy just kisses the boo-boos. Yeah. Mommy just kisses the boo-boos. You feel better now?
Yeah.
Good. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. There's the water. Look. Here's some water. Don't get too close to the edge. It's not very good water. It's a little bit swampy. He likes to throw sticks in the water.
I'll make you one. I want a big one.
You want a big stick? Find you a big stick.
I found one big sticks.
Okay. Nice.
What's the big stick? Oh, this.
There's a big stick. You gonna throw it in the water?
I'm not sure.
Don't get too close to the edge. Good job. All right, let's go back before it gets dark. Don't want to get stuck in the dark. Come on, baby. I hear a dog. Come on, baby. All right. It's been a really hot day, but now that the sun's going down a little bit, it's starting to feel pretty good. Come over this way. He is still throwing rocks and sticks. Okay, you're a little close to the edge for Mommy's comfort. All right. Come on now. One more big throw. Okay. Good job. Come on.
Let's do it again.
You want to keep throwing rocks in the water? Okay. One more. Good job. Come on. He is all boy. Come on. Diego's waiting for us. Look, Diego's all by himself. He's waiting for us. Come on. Come on. You make me nervous. Come on. All right, bye. All it takes is me to say bye, and he's like, nope, you ain't leaving me out here.
I'm not going to leave you.
You know I never leave you.
I'm so nice to you, Linda.
You know I never leave you. Yeah, I'd never leave either one of you. Yeah. Hey, you hear Mommy talking? I bet we are gonna have some mosquito bites today. What you got, JJ? Got some sticks.
I want to so much water.
He wants to go back and throw the sticks in the water. Well, we gotta get back before it gets dark. You don't want to be stuck out here when it's dark.
I'm
No.
itchy.
Oh, you're itchy. All right. Now let's get back.
I found a big rock.
You found a big rock. Show everybody your big rock. Show everybody. Show it to the camera right here. Wow. That's cool. Can you say bye-bye to everybody?
Bye-bye.
Say have a good day.
Have a good day.